Namaste, I am JV and Dr. Priyanka. Today I will discuss about onion production. Both legal name onion shiva 16 chromosome number family edition. Origin Central Asia. Onion is valuable for its bulk having characteristics of flavors and pungency, which is due to presence of volatile oil allyl propyl disulfide. Onion greens are also used by harvesting crop at pincher thickness and then small bulk is formed. India is the second largest producer of onion in world and next in China, ranked third in export of onion. Next, Netherlands and Spain. Maharashtra is the leading onion producing state in India, followed by Karnataka and Gujarat. The crop is grown extensive scale of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan and Bihar. Origin and taxonomy. Originated in Asia and botany. Photo and conditions and mastery given by Jones and Clarke. And variety of onion. Developed by IIHR Bangalore, Arka Niketan, Arka Kalyan, Arka Bindu, Arka Prakriti, and IR New Delhi, developed by these variety Pusha Red, Pusha Ratnar, Pusha White Round, Pusha Madhvi, Pusha White Grade, Early Grano. Early Grano is most commonly used for green onion purpose. And the IR regional station contain brown Spanish for most suitable in long day type and hilly area and NHRDF Nashik Agrifound dark red and Agrifound rose. Agrifound rose is suitable for export bulk and Rahuri bleach and 221 and Balwan 780 and N53 suitable for Kharif season and HAU Hisar 2 and Punjab Agricultural University, Punjab Navroa or Punjab Selection, Punjab Red Round and Rajasthan Udaipur 102. And hybrid variety of onion Afan, Arka Kirtiman, Arka Lalima, Arka Pitambar and soil. Onion prefers a well-drained, loose and fibrous soil rich in humus. It is sensitive to high acidity and alkalinity and the pH 5.8 to 6.5 is ideal. A method of planting. This following three methods of planting are followed depending on soil topography, climate condition and economic aspect. Rising seedling and transplanting a secondary planting bulb directly in the field and broadcasting and drilling of seed directly in the field. And transplanting method. This is the most common method practiced in irrigated crop as it results in high yield and large size bulb. In plains, seed are sown during October-November for a Rabi crop and hill regions grown March to June. And seed are first sown in well-prepared nursery bed, 90 to 120 meter wide and 7.5 to 10 meter height and length ratio between nursery area and main field is about 1 is to 2. 20. Seed add to 10 kg per hectare and seedling of 15 centimeter height to 0.5 centimeter neck thickness are ideal for transplanting and this is achieved in 8 weeks. 6 to 10 weeks depending on the soil or climate receptor and there is practice in toppling seedling is a time of transplanting. If seedlings are grown for transplanting, the land is brought to fine tilled by a through plowing and leveling and breaking clouds and the field when divided into a small plot of convenient size and irrigation and seeding are transplanting at 15 into 8.10 centimeter spacing and planting of bulb in practice in hill slope and terrestrial divisions and broadcasting and drilling method direct sowing by broadcasting and drilling 30 centimeter apart in practice some area of civil labor for transplanting and manure and fertilizer Onion is a heavy feeder for nitrogen and potash, and a crop yielding 35 ton per hectare required, and 120 kg nitrogen, 50 kg P2O5, and 160 kg K2O, and 50 kg O, and 20 kg sulfur. Apply 20 to 25 ton of FIM at the time of first plowing so that it may carry mixture thoroughly during subsequent plowing. Anti-dojo P and K should be applied at the time of final land preparation. Nitrogen should be top dressing into equal split. First half 3 to 4 weeks after transplanting and second half 2 weeks after transplanting. Application of fertilizer. FIM 25 ton per hectare and aspergillus 2 kg and phosphobacteria 2 kg. And irrigation, onion is mainly grown in irrigated crop in India. Frequent irrigation depends on soil and climate. Weeding and intercultivation, manual weeding and weeds are used basally in 2 kg per hectare. And harvesting and peeling. Onion is ready for harvesting in 3 to 5 months after transplanting, depend on variety. Harvesting is done by pulling out plant when top are drooping but still green during hot day when soil is hard. Bulb are pulled out with a hand hoe, yield varying for season and variety, and 15 to 25 ton of bulb are expected from 1 hectare of a transplanting crop. Yield of kharif crop is comparatively low, and rainy season of onion crop is grown under rabi season only, and depending upon the variety for rainy season is significant achievement in crop breeding and resulting in cultivation of kharif like variety N53, Agrifound, Arcade, and Balbas 7 at Shiro and Alka Kalyan grown in rainy season. And green onion and spring onion variety like early grano, pusa white flat and pusa white round suitable for green purpose and yield 40 to 45 ton per hectare and mainly harvested after transplanting 75 to 80 days and grow and transplanting time up to May. And post harvesting handling, it is estimated about 60 to 65% of onion produced in India and consumed internally 5% exported and 30 to 40% lost of post harvest damage. And curing, sprouting and rooting are common problem in storage since bulb contain high moisture and the bulb should be adequately cured for proper development of skin color and remove field heat before storage. And storage, uh, well ventilated room by separating of dry and root fruit floor on grade. And grading, these nagged bottle and decayed fruits are bulbs are removed. And marketing farmers, middle farmers and consumers, several intermediate are involved in marketing an onion and dehydration of onion most important and dehydration. Popularity of dehydrated onion is increasing nowadays. Advantage of dehydrated onion is storage, stability and access of preparation. Commercial processing plant prescribe synthase ratio 7 is to 1 and say 70 is to 1 with a moisture content of 4% of final product and dehydrated onion are sold in many form of sliced, chopped and sand powder form. Thank you.